Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a 2-bedroom at Heathergate. This unit is 900 square feet and prices start at $959 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large living room. You have a coat closet right as you enter. On the other side of the living room, you have a sliding glass door which leads out to your own personal patio. You'll then turn into your dining room and open kitchen. Each unit comes with a breakfast bar. Each unit also comes with a dishwasher and garbage disposal. Through your kitchen is a small laundry room that has a full-size washer and dryer. Shelving has also been installed to hold your detergents. Off of the living room and dining room area, there's a hallway that has doors to the first bathroom as well as both bedrooms. Bedroom number 1 has one window with all new blinds and a large closet. Back out of the bedroom, you have a closet in the hallway with plenty of extra storage space. The hallway bathroom is a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and vanity. Here is your large master bedroom. On either side of the short hallway are big closets. As you walk through, you'll enter the master bathroom. The bathroom has a vanity, toilet, and shower. Behind the door next to the shower is an area with shelving for towels.